Update from Dimapur. Today, an organization named SN Dimapur Bongs distributed 300 plus packages of cooked food to the homeless people staying outside in Dimapur station or nearby roadside in several locations. Also, we have talked with the president and vice president of the organization about today's relief work. Now, let's move forward and watch the video till the end. Right now we are in Dimapur station with the organization in Dimapur Bongs, and we have the president here, Sudip Narayan Datta, and we are here to tell you about how they have organized a little project to help the people who are struggling during this COVID pandemic. And as we know, here in Dimapur we have lockdown for 1 week. So we will talk with the president. So sir, how you have organized this and what you are providing today to the needy ones here?
Thank you very much. First of all, I would like to thank NNTV for coming here and covering our social relief work towards the society. I, Mr. Sudip Narayan Datta, President Dimapur Bongs, heartfully thank you for coming here. And this Dimapur Bongs is an NGO registered under our Societies Act, Government of Nagaland. And since last 7 years, we are working in the field for the need of the society as and when called for. We work in different fields, right from cremation, blood donation, student admission, any treatment, and social relief. Last pandemic also, we have covered lots of social work with regarding to the society. And this year, even in this pandemic also, our team, Dimapur Bongs, have come forward to provide dry ration and packed food. Packed food we are providing in 4 places in Dimapur, starting from Western Railway Bazaar, after that near DMC, after that Haji Park and railway station. We are having more to 300 homeless peoples whom we are serving the food, cooked food, and we are really privileged to our donors who are coming forward and helping us, joining hands with us, giving contribution in cash and kind to provide relief to the underprivileged sections as and when needed. Now we are here with 300 plus food packages with mineral waters to serve them the dinner. I am really thankful to the viewers. Even I am really thankful to the society at large. They are coming willfully to donate us in every possible manner.
Okay, so sir, how many days? For how many days you will continue this work here?
We have started it from 13th of May,
13th.
and initially we have taken 8 days project in hand. After that, once on 21st, if the lockdown gets extended, we will extend our food services
Okay,
as and required.
you will be providing the furthermore days. For
Yes, yes.
Okay, so ma'am, would you like to say something about today's project you are conducting here?
Thank you so much, Northeast Nation, for covering this distribution project of our Dimapur Bongs. As a Vice President, I'm very much proud that I'm a member of this NGO. And we are really very much glad and happy that you came and covering these things. And there are so many members, not me, President and Vice President, all the young girls and boys, they also came up with full spirit, doing the kitchen work. We are personally cooking the food and serving the needy people. So viewers who are watching us, please come forward and help the needy people who are homeless and staying like this. No one is there. So our team came up with this project to help the needy people and homeless people, to feed the people. There are so many people who don't get food in this pandemic. So please, not from NGO, other people who have the capability to serve the people, have lots of money and the thing. So please come up and help the people in this pandemic. Stay home, stay safe. That's what all I can say. Thank you so much.